Happy Christmas! Ho, ho, ho!
Drama day at school. Ew. Zoom meeting on the last day.
And last but not least, we have one more receipt you need to have. One of us needs to get reimbursed for a little something that you're gonna get later on.
Me too.
Oh, okay. Let's do
Sorry,
it.
it's just so momentous. You have a special envelope for that. It's 'cause I'm running around. Because I'm a mess all the time.
I'm
This is
crying.
better than. Oh my gosh. You're. This is crazy. You spent so much.
Oh my gosh, I'm crying.
This is better
What?
than. This is better than my gift.
Ah!
Wow, such an artist.
So ugly.
No, this one's pretty.
Pretty ugly.
Pretty ugly. That was supposed to be my Christmas gift to myself this year, but no thank
What did
you.
you get? What did you get?
Oh, I bought the bomb kuchen cover. This is so like I should have just bought a suit, but I bought this instead. But this brings more joy. You know the bomb kuchen studios, like the superior
Oh,
label.
okay.
It's just a notebook.
I got myself a gooseneck kettle
Oh,
that arrived at
is it the
I got
fellow
the
one?
fellow.
Oh, the new electronic one with the walnut.
Yeah.
I knew it.
Well, not
Not the walnut.
is walnut
The wood.
the darker one, the darker
yeah,
one.
yeah.
Whatever the darker one is. But it's not the plus.
When I saw it, I was like, I have a feeling Miggy will either buy this in the future or soon. No, it's so nice. It's so nice.
So basic.
Midnight snack.
It looks so bad.
Really? This in our building for how much? 110. Whoa, Baby Yoda. How did Edgar do this?
Yeah, I was looking at it then.
Huh? What's this?
No, it's behind it. Wow. It's right there.
You're
Oh, sorry.
half of your.
Wow.
Hey everyone, it's Job. I hope you're doing well. Today we're working on December Daily Day 18, 19, and 20, which is honestly a little bit odd to say because it feels like we just started our December Daily journey together and now we are almost there, almost at the finish line. I have been so excited to document this December in many different ways. You've seen the vlogs, you've seen the journaling portions. It's kind of cool to see and to share my December with you all. And I think the vlogs give a little bit of context to what's happening each day. So I'm happy that most of you have been enjoying that. In terms of my intended end date for this little documenting series, I think I'm going to stop documenting on the 26th. I'm only going to journal up until the 26th for this series, and we'll see if I continue my documenting until New Year's. Historically, I've only documented until the 26th, like I said earlier. But when I went to Barcelona last year, I actually journaled until the 31st. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, we're almost there. I don't know why I'm like wrapping up the series. We just have way more like spreads to finish. So I think I'm just getting ahead of myself. But I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who has supported this series and the new people who have joined on and started watching. It's really cool to have you here. In terms of the past few days, it's been a really fun like mix of things that have happened. I basically had my last day of school, which was epic and fun, and lots of food was had. And I think I was a little bit stressed, honestly, leading up to this just because of my, I don't know. I feel a little bit off in terms of my work ethic at school. Like I feel like I've been working later at school because I haven't been getting much done while I'm at school, which is alarming, and that's something that I need to keep in mind of in 2021. Like productivity has been kind of down in terms of my school work, so that's something that I want to focus on in 2021. But yeah, as you can see, the spread ended up being more minimal than I thought. I actually printed out a whole bunch of videos, so it's kind of sucky that I can't share with you what those pictures look like, but it's just like tons of selfies with friends and coworkers to document the end of surviving the first term of teaching at school amidst a pandemic. I always forget to stop and think about how ridiculous the past few months have been, and that we are continuing to live history as we speak. I've just been lucky that I have been safe and happy and healthy, and have been fortunate enough to continue working on site. So that's something that I'm really thankful for. But yeah, the spread was a little bit more straightforward. I added that fun, have a damn fine holiday. This is actually from my good friend at work, Olivia, and she actually gave me the best Christmas gift / birthday gift ever. She gave me a wool hat. I don't really know if I've talked about my obsession with my red beanie, but I wear this red beanie or toque. It's like a fisherman toque. And I think toque is also a Canadian term. When I say toque, I really mean beanie, but you know those like tiny, really small beanies that a lot of fishermen wear, or I guess a lot of like youth wear it now lately, but I've been really liking that look for a while now, and I wear this specific red one all the time. And she got me a like olive green one, but it's in like this felted wool material. Oh, it's so nice. It's not everyone's taste, and honestly, I feel a little bit hipstery when I wear it. I feel very mysterious, or also like a fisherman, but there's no shame in that. But I really like it, and I absolutely can't stop wearing it. I think I've worn it every day since I've received it. Like I wear it at home too. But I don't know why I'm telling you about this hat that I haven't provided any context with, but I love to ramble. In terms of like the right side of the spread, I actually made a mistake. I printed out this picture of the pizza that I ordered, but that was actually on Friday. So on Saturday, I only had the leftovers of that pizza. But yeah, I didn't really know what to add because Saturday was a really, really, really chill day for me. I just lazed around at home. I woke up early. I actually No, that's a lie. I actually did quite a few things in the morning. I did some packing of orders. I actually worked on my bullet journal, which I've kind of neglected. And I've also sat down and like actually wrote down what my planner setup would be for 2021. It's called a Techo Kaigi. If you listen to the stationery selection, you would know, but in short, a Techo Kaigi is just a meeting with friends in which you talk about your planner and journal setup for 2021. Which is honestly such a mood, and I wish we did that more often in North America, because I would love to hang out with friends and chat with them about what planners we're using for 2021. But yeah, I highly recommend listening to April and Phyllis's podcast, and I highly recommend the episode in which April, Phyllis, and Kelly talk about their planner and journal setup. It's so funny to hear what they're using, and they all are kind of using similar things but for different purposes. Like, I highly recommend listening to it. For December 20th, I came across a little problem because I printed out this photo of myself, but it turned out huge, and I decided to go for it, but I don't know. I still am having trouble adding photos of myself in my journal. I know people say it's normal. I definitely need to work on that just because it is normal. It's not conceited at all. It's actually a great way to like remember what you look like at a certain time and date, and I need to just like deal with it and not cringe because it's my journal and I can do whatever I want. But I don't know, my inner critic inside is just like, ew, cringy, but whatever. I need to get past that. But I took this outfit of the day photo, which is such a throwback to like 2012 Job, who was really into like clothing and fashion, and I would take these photos with my friends and we would do like outfit photos and try to post it on Instagram, thinking that we would become the next big Gen M, or I don't know, whoever is the big fashion person right now on Instagram. But yeah, I just wanted to add a little picture of myself, and I also kind of cringe because, well, we were laughing, my sister and I were laughing because I'm grabbing my hair trying to pretend like it's like a cool and fun pose, but it looks like I just have a headache in this photo, which is honestly a mood too. That's like my perpetual 2020 mood. But I wanted to add some doodling because I talked about this earlier, but I realized like I haven't been drawing or painting much at all in December. I've doodled outside of this notebook, but not in this notebook. I think I added a little drawing of the gnome in December Daily Day 3, and then this is probably the next drawing, which feels weird, but I think it's because I've been relying heavily on collaging and making pockets and making it an interactive notebook rather than one that's like very illustrated. And I am all right with that. I added this fun illustration though from my friend Joy. She drew me. It's amazing. She took inspiration from my thank you card and she drew me with a little Santa hat, which is amazing. And thank you, Joy, for letting me be part of your journal. It's so cool. And also we're like in journal inception now because this is a picture of her journal, which is now in my journal. It's like multiple layers of inception, which is so cool. And I'm happy that I can incorporate a little part of Joy in my journal. Whoa, and that's like a double meaning because Joy, the person, and Joy, the sensation. Okay, I don't know, I had to explain the pun, but yeah, I really enjoyed. Oh my gosh, enjoyed. Okay, I need to stop. But I did enjoy this journaling session. It was fun playing around with layers as usual and using found items. I forgot to say that little gold sheet was actually an insert from an envelope, so I got to repurpose that. And overall, I'm really excited about how this journal is turning out. It's very interactive, like my intended plan. But we're also nearing the end, which is a little bit sad, but it's okay. We won't mope about it because we still have a few more days to go, and I'm sure that I will be documenting even more fun things because my sister and I are planning to build a croquembouche, or like bake a croquembouche, but we will see if we can actually do that. I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all next time. Bye, everyone.